Being an artisan of comfort means so many things. It's really our intention to design and build home furnishings that customers can be proud of.
We care about not only the piece of furniture that we're working on, but the people who are going to be using it.
We're taking something that needs to be aesthetically pleasing, but also usable on the day-to-day basis. We really try to envision how the customer is going to be interacting with the piece. We'll pull inspiration sheets, we'll do sketching. In some cases, we'll work in 3D on the computer.
Inspiration comes from a lot of different places. My favorite place to look for inspiration is from pop culture. Seeing what's happening in movies, what's happening on television, music, fashion. It's not a set of rules.
We're making things by hand. We are supporting generations of artisans whose experience and skills and crafts can't be replaced by machinery. Whether it's building a frame in our frame plant, finishing a beautiful leg. We want the skills and the craftsmanship to pass down from generation to generation. Everyone has a common thread here, and first and foremost, it's pride. Pride to really deliver a piece of furniture that they know will last.
Comfort is one of the principles that the company was founded on. And one of the things that we wanted was to have a company where we could be ourselves. If you're comfortable with yourself, if you're comfortable with the people that you're around, whether you're comfortable with the space that you live in, those are all key factors in how we deal with life.
We customize everything at Mitchell Gold. This is about having a beautiful piece that you know it's only been made for you. We've been building quality furniture for over 31 years. We offer a lifetime warranty, which really means that these are heirloom pieces. It's about a piece that you can pass down to the next generation. We have become a group of individuals that have banded together and done things that we never thought that we could do. You sort of leap before knowing where you're going to be diving into. Artisans of Comfort means our commitment to quality, our commitment to craftsmanship, our commitment to creating joy in our customers' homes.